Today we will be testing the STD Adaptive Floating RSX Dynamic Momentum Index. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the STD Adaptive Floating RSX Dynamic Momentum Index. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 714 indicators, with 287 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the STD Adaptive Floating RSX Dynamic Momentum Index. Man, quite the mouthful. The creator of this indicator is quite awesome at creating indicators, but they often have a very long title to them. But amazing creator. Definitely go check out the creator's page and the creator's indicators. Super cool stuff. Very interesting. All right. Take a look at our indicator here. Basically, we have the oscillating line. Here we have some bands that are kind of expanding and contracting with the oscillating line there. And you can see that the oscillating line is switching colors, going from gray to red to gray to green, and so on, bouncing around different colors. I think we are going to go in and turn on the bar coloration for this one. Again, just makes it a tad bit easier to see exactly what it is that we're looking for. And as you guessed, if you are a regular to the channel, what we're looking for is when we get the red bars, we are going to go short. When we get the green bars, we are going to go long. So pretty simple setup. Not much to it other than that. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first trade that we pick up is a short signal right here. You can see that we pick up the red bars right here. We also get that oscillating line, which is in the red position, which means that the bars here are then in that red position, or the red color, I guess I should say. And you can see that we would have entered here and immediately got a spike to the upside there, which would have come up and stopped us out. Then it looks like we pick up a long signal right here on that one. and looks like, yep, it did get us to take profit. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up short right here. You can see that we get that red coloration of the bars that we're looking for right there. We would have entered right here on this candle, which looks like it was probably a green candle. Yep, that's what I thought. And so we would have entered right here at the top of this kind of little peak, little pullback right there. And so we would have gotten this nice push to the downside right here, which would have come down and got us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we then pick up this long right here. We get the green candles that we're looking for there. We pretty much hit consolidation as soon as we jump in on this one. These candles right here, this would have been a green candle, and it just kind of bounced back and forth again in just a straight consolidation type area. And then we finally get that spike to the upside right here that we are looking for. Let's double check here. Yep, so it actually would have been on this candle right here that we would have closed out on that long position, which means that we would have actually picked up another signal right here, because this is the signal candle. So at the close of this candle, we would have already been exited out of this position and gotten another signal to then go long. Let's see. Looks like it hasn't quite hit our take profit, but it did right there on that one, and would have also given us, yes, also would have given us another long signal right there on that one, but it doesn't look like that one's going to work out too well for us. We missed that 70% take profit that we were looking for right there, or the 70 pip, I should say, 70 pip take profit that we were looking for, and it rolls over and makes this really nasty push to the downside, which would have stopped us out. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things will get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version, and you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Before we do though, real quick, if you could go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, it would be much appreciated. Please don't give the video a thumbs down, even if it doesn't meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. When you give the video a thumbs down, it tells the YouTube algorithm that it shouldn't show this video to any more people, or just kind of suppresses the video and its views. By giving the video a thumbs up, it tells the YouTube algorithm that it should be showing the video to more people. That'll help us build our viewers. That'll help us build our community, help bring in people that have more knowledge and more understanding and experience. The more, the better in a community like this. And so if you could please, like I said, give this video a thumbs up. It is much appreciated. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. So definitely a decent number of trades within the 1 year's time. Can't complain about that. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So we have 22 trades all together. A little bit of a tongue twister there. Let's go ahead and count out the winners. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have 14 trades all together. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. All in all, a pretty solid indicator. So it's always nice when we get an indicator like this that can give us not only entry signals, but it can also give us continuation signals, because there will be quite often that you will enter a trade, you'll hit the first take profit, and then you'll exit out the full position, or it'll pull back, or if you're taking partials, a lot of the times price will come back and end up stopping you out at, say, break even, and then the trade will continue to go in your direction. It will kind of recover and then continue to push back in that direction. And it is never a pleasant time when you have exited out at break even for the remainder of your position, just to watch it continue, the trade to continue really heavily in that original direction. And so if you can have an indicator that picks up these continuation trades, where it's then catching more trades and telling you to enter in as the trade continues in that direction, then it is extremely useful. So all right, that's it for this one. It is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.